Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a business and using QuickBooks Online, you already know how important it is to stay on top of your sales tax. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to file your sales tax in QuickBooks Online so you can file confidently and keep your books accurate. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do from reviewing your numbers to recording your payment. Let's dive in. The first step is to review what you owe. Before you file anything, you need to make sure your numbers are accurate. In QuickBooks Online, go to Review Sales Tax. Here you can check all your sales for the period and ensure everything looks correct. If you need to file an older return, just use the Tax Period Date dropdown to select the right period. If you have any adjustments like credits, discounts, or corrections, click on Plus, Add an Adjustment. You can also select View Tax Liability Report to see a detailed breakdown of your gross sales, taxable sales, and the tax due. Take note of these numbers. They'll be essential when you fill out your actual sales tax return. Next, it's time to file your return with the right tax agency. QuickBooks Online doesn't let you e-file directly from the platform, so you'll need to file on your state's tax website. You can either e-file online or mail your return, though most states encourage e-filing. When you file, use the numbers you recorded from the review step. If you ever need to correct a previous filing, QuickBooks Online doesn't support amended sales tax returns, so you'll need to contact your tax agency directly for guidance. Once your return is filed, you need to record your sales tax payment in QuickBooks. Go back to Review Sales Tax, select the period you just filed, and click Record Payment. Enter the tax amount, payment date, and the bank account you used. Then hit Record Payment. This ensures your sales tax payable in QuickBooks is up to date. Finally, it's important to check your filing status. If you e-filed, head to your tax agency's website to confirm your return was received and accepted. If you mailed it, contact your tax agency to verify that it has been processed. And that's it. Filing your sales tax in QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be complicated. Just review what you owe, file with the right agency, record your payment, and double-check your filing status. By following these steps, you'll keep your sales tax accurate and avoid any surprises. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future QuickBooks tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.